here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm gonna make a lighted cross. Now you can use this in your Christmas decoration if you wanted to do it for your Easter performance or just to put up around Easter time around your house. We have been decorating for Christmas, so I know I'm not going to put myself in that cage. What you will need is 12 elbows, whether you make it 1 inch or at a 3/4 inch or 1.25 inch and a half, whatever you need. You need about 12 elbows. You need 2 tees. There's another way where you might only need 10 elbows and 4 tees, and I'll try to show you that. You're gonna need 2 10-foot sticks of PVC, whatever size it is that you'll be using. You'll also need some glue. You don't always have to glue, but you could put screws in, and at nighttime when it's lit up, you would never know. So what I did is I made it on a 1 to 2 scale roughly. You can make a cross 1 to 3, and that just means cutting it. So I got almost 4-foot pieces of PVC pipe for the base, which means for the top I'm gonna have about 2, and then roughly just a little less on the side. You can make it however you want. You can even Google it. So what I'm going to do is just start putting this together real quick. And there you have it. It is definitely flimsy because they are not all the way put together or glued or however you want to call it. So they do maneuver a lot, but that will change once I glue it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue it and then we'll come back. All right guys, I have glued this. I let it dry for about an hour. Maybe you can let it go a little more. It's very important to make sure you're on a flat surface when you're gluing it. What I had done is glued these 2 pieces here, glued a couple pieces, put it together, make sure it's all nice and flat. Now it's pretty sturdy, but there is a little bit of play to it. So if you wanted to, as I said earlier, if you wanted to take a T right here and put it in a T right here and make it more sturdier, or you could take a plus, a 4-way, and go up over. It would just require more. I don't think I'm going to do that. I have decided not to use just regular strand lights and wrap it. I'm going to use some rope light. So I got some white rope light that I got off of, not a paid sponsor, eBay, and it's cuttable every 3 feet. All right guys, I'm halfway done. Put some tie wraps on. I'm putting about every 6 or 8 inches and just going to town. One special thing I did buy this year was this little $9 tie wrap. It gets it nice and tight so it won't move. So I'm going to finish this and then we'll go outside. So what I did here is I drove some stakes in the ground. This is what these tees are for. So what I'm going to do now is slide this over here. So that could really help you, like so. Then I'll just add another little stake in here for extra support. Then what I'll do is I'll tie wrap that. I'll show you what it looks like plugged in. I didn't paint this, but you could paint this all black, all white, whatever you want to do to kind of camouflage this. All right guys, well here's how it looks in our display. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Here's a little, this is only half our display. There's another big portion over there. I hope you liked it at night. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button. And until next time.